Hi guys, welcome back to my video. So this video is gonna be a living room makeover. So I recently did my apartment tour, and until I realized, like just looking at it, I noticed how bland my living room was, meaning that it has like no color. Like I have a little specks of color here and there, but it wasn't like anything eye-catching, and I was like, I need to do something about it. So this video is gonna be like a mini living room makeover. It's not gonna be very dramatic, so don't expect anything dramatic, but it's gonna be very mini, and I'm just gonna show you what I do. So let's begin. So there's a wall right above my sectional, and it's very blank, and for the longest I didn't know what to put there. I know I don't want to put anything too heavy because I sit there a lot. Anyone who comes over sit there, and I don't want anything like falling on their head, so nothing too heavy over my head. I was just like really thinking, what should I put there? And I found this really great artist called Alphonse Muka, and he does like Art Nouveau. And I found these two really nice posters on Amazon, and they're like extremely beautiful. So I'm gonna put those two posters above my sectional. To frame my poster, I'm using this 1/4-inch masking tape. This is a really great idea if you want something cheaper instead of buying a traditional frame, because a large frame will cost you more. But I got some tape and it only cost me $8, and basically I'm just outlining my poster, and you could do any design you like. So I did, instead of doing like a traditional poster frame, I did this unique type of one. I'm not sure what you call it, but it's just me freestyling. So all I'm gonna do is just like a small cut across and just peel it off so it becomes straight. Ta-da! I'm just gonna show you one side done. So this is one side without cutting the edges off, and this is the other side, and you can see it looks so nice and straight. So I'm just gonna finish the top and the bottom. Okay guys, so this is it. I'm all done. So as you can see, it came out really good. I didn't expect it to come out so well, but it came out really good. So now I'm just gonna switch my lamp. This is going to a friend of mine. She bought it from me, and I got a new lamp, and you're gonna see what it looks like in a minute. That's no brighter bulb.
Yeah, I think how bright bulb is going.
Brighter.
Well, it's like, yeah, I think put
Do you see?
like a 260 watt off.
Morning guys, so it's the morning and let's get straight to it. So I'm gonna start off with my large mirror. So I have this in the entryway and I was on Anthropology and they have these beautiful, and when I say beautiful, it's gorgeous floor length mirror, but I don't have the money or the space to hold one, so I decided to make my own with some contact paper. This contact paper, you could use paint, spray paint, but it's really cold and I don't want to go outside, and it's large and spray paint is messy, and with paint I have to wait until it dries, so I wanted something really quick and easy to do, so I decided to get some contact paper. And I just got this really gold one. You could pick any color you want, but I'm gonna cover my mirror with contact paper. Finally finished. It was a lot of work. It's harder than it looks, but it looks good. So I want to paint my calic system that you see behind me. So anyone who comes in the room, this will be like what your eyes draw to first. This paint, and this is the Annie Sloan paint. It's a chalk paint and the color I have is Scandinavian pink. Very unique. It's not like your regular bright pink or baby pink. It's a very dusty mauvey pink, so it looks so good. So I'm using chalk paint because it's very easy to use on furniture. You won't have to sand or prep the furniture. You just have to make sure it's clean off. It's clean, that there's no dust on it. So I'm gonna be using this, and let's get to it. Okay, first coat is up. I'm gonna leave it to dry, like they said, about 30 minutes until I put the second coat. So I'm thinking it looks like a little darker than I expected. So I'm thinking I'm gonna mix a little bit of white in it to make it a little lighter and put on the second coat. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. And as you can see, I got paint in my wig. That's what I got for trying to be cute. Yeah, so I'm just gonna let this dry and I'm gonna go with the second coat. Since I'm in a painting mood, I got this thing from Ross. I'm not sure what you would call it. I call it a trolley. So it has wheels. It's all wooden and it's like a circle wooden thing. So what I'm thinking of is I'm gonna paint this all white with the paint I have, the white chalk paint I have. I'm gonna get a plant pot, get a really large plant, and I'm gonna put it on here. And I like that it has wheels because, you know, those large plants and the plant pot makes it really heavy. That way I can like roll it around my place if I need to without straining my back. So I went to a art store here in Philadelphia called Blink. I think this was going to be like one of my favorite stores. I found this lovely print with dragonflies and it's gold and black. And I also found this Frida Kahlo print, and it's like, these are so lovely. So my floating shelf that you can't really see above me, I have a little frame and I got this bigger gold frame. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it, put it in here and put it on my shelf. I've been searching for a really small black vase and it's really hard to find one, so I did the next best thing. I went to the dollar store and I found this okay hand and I just painted it black with some leftover chalk paint. so thank you for watching my video. I really enjoyed doing this makeover video. Make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna be doing a little more home improvements around my place. So make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of these videos from me. Like if you did enjoy watching this video, and comment if you have any questions, and also comment because my style is like really changing. I'm not sure what to call it, so comment below what you think my place looks like. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.